Dear students, half yearly exams are going to be started soon. So this time is a little bit different than the earlier one because you are going to be monitored. You will join the Google Meet. So on this stipulated time you are going to attend that class. So in front of the invigilator only you are going to write. So how you have to do that one, that I will explain in step by step. So for here you need to install one application from the App Store. So what is that one? Go to the Play Store. There you have to select the one application. The name is split screen. You type that split screen option. Here you select this split screen shortcut where it is. So let's I typed it, split screen app. Which one you need to select? This one you have to select. This one you have to select. So once you select this one, you have to install this one. Let's install this one. This will take little bit time. This is 6 MB only. It's not required much space in your mobile. It's a very small application. It can be installed easily. So on that day, make sure that you are having the good internet connection. If you are attending the examination from the desktop, make sure that you are having the webcam. If you don't have the webcam, you should attend the examination from the mobile or laptop. So that is only the option, because camera should be on that day. Don't tell that such type of reasons our internet connection is not there, such type of things. Otherwise your papers will not be evaluated. Now what we will do, now we will see how this application will be work. So click on this open. Now this is showing split screen disabled, which I was talking about is this one, split screen disabled. Okay, disabled. This you have to make it on. So that also requires some permission. Okay, once I click, that is come, please turn on split screen in Android's accessibility settings first. Then I will click on the open Android settings. So there you go to the bottom, usually download services, you have to click the half mode it is. Now you have to select this split screen. Here you have to select this on. This you have to click. Now what we will do now, I will click. This application will support almost all smartphones. If it is not supporting, that will not come. So it almost for the recent mobiles or the older mobiles also this will support. Use split screen. Yes, you have to select the OK option. Now what happens, that is enabled now. So another important thing here you should know, which is triggers. Long press on. So by clicking the long press, only you can control these triggers. The screen will be splitted. So I will click this long press on. Here back option is there. Okay. Back option is there, home button is there, whatever you want you can select, but I will suggest, so first one only you can select, back button. If you select this one, here you have to click. So if you select, long press the back button to trigger split screen mode. Means if you press the long key of this long, for example, let's try this one. I am pressing this long back key. Let us see will it split or not. Okay, I have to on, right? So I am pressing the long press. So it is splitting. That means that one screen you are attending the Google Meet, in another screen another screen you will write the Google Forms, and whatever you are doing on the mobile, teacher will monitor. So you cannot copy it. So what we will do now, I will close this one, which is not required now. You have installed application already. Now I will open the Google Chrome. You have to open the Google Chrome. Now here important one is these three dots you have to click. This is most important one. Here you should know, you have to click on these three dots. Then if you click on that one, you have to go to the desktop mode. This one you have to select, desktop mode. You have to tick here. How you can do that one? I will click desktop mode. So that's gone into the desktop mode. Now I will type here meet.google.com. This you have to type. In desktop mode only you are going to join this one. So this how hits will become. So the most probably the first hit only you can select Google Meet. Here another important thing is, so till now you have joined by this Meet app or Chrome app. Now this time you are going to join by Gmail, because Meet, if you open this Chrome option, you cannot write the Google Forms. So that is the reason you have to select this Gmail. So how to do that one, that we will see now. I am clicking this Gmail. So whatever the mail ID is there, that you can select. So by G Suite only you can join. Okay. So let's join. Here new meeting is there, option of new meeting and join with a code. So which one you have to select? Basically you have to select join with code. You don't select the new meeting, you don't select this. Join with code only you have to select. So who will give the code? The teacher who is conducting on that day, invigilator, whoever is there, within before the 10 or 15 minutes of your class he will share. Okay, he will join the Google Meet and that link will be given to you. So that you have to type. For example, already I have joined from the another device. I will type here QKN. So the same way you have to type. The codes will be changed anyhow. So don't type whatever I am writing here. VHSU, this is the code of my Google Meet. Then HVU. I have typed, then I will join this. Now I have joined. Now you have to click the join option. This is how, okay, you will be monitored. Whatever you are doing, that will be monitored. Now here teacher will send you by chat message, they will send you Google form in Google Meet only. So you can see here Mallikarjuna Gono form is coming. So where you can see that one, you can click on this three dots. There you can click on the in call message. Here form is there. So that you have to open. If you open, what happens? That will open the Google Forms. Where? In Google Drive. Now the next step is you have to go back by pressing the home button. Then what you have to do? You have to click on the once again spare button, whatever it is there. Here split screen option is there. So in default few may have this one. Okay, which one? In default you may have this option. That means that this is the split screen options, this one. If you don't have, you have to install this. Yeah, now what I will do, I will split the screen now. This I will split the screen now. I will, okay. Okay, now by pressing the long back key, back option, long pressing, this should split now. Yes, it is split now screen. Now what you have to do, you have to go to you have to find where the Chrome is there. Okay, now you have to open the Chrome option. Now it is forms are opened. Now you can resize this windows also. Okay, by that you can put the more space. You will have the more space for the Google Forms, and teacher will be monitored whatever you are doing. So you can enter whatever the details and submit. If you want to send the descriptive answers, like you have to write, then you have to upload, right? So for that camera is required. So what you can do, you can press this home button circle, you can see bottom. So you can go back, there is no issue, you can go back, you can close whatever it is there that is going on in meeting, it's going on. Now you can take the camera and you can take the photo. Then once again you have to click on the tab. Then you have to open once again the split screen option. Okay, I am pressing long back, so that is splitting. Once again what I will do, I will go to the Google Chrome and I will open. So this is how you are going to attend the examination this time. That's how you will be monitored. If you are facing any problem, at that time only you inform to the teacher, then he or she can suggest you what need to be done. Make sure that you are having the good internet connections and good devices you are using on that particular day. And this screen size also can be adjusted. Thank you.